Teachers today how to make the entire cube. So you have to keep complete concentration. Okay. మళ్ళీ అటు ఇటు పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా చేసేస్తే you cannot learn it. We have like 1.5 hours 5 నుంచి 6:30 వరకు. We will keep all our concentration and focus on our cube to learn it and to do it perfectly. Okay. మనకి మళ్ళీ culmination program ఉంటుంది కదా. So on culmination program, who can do within 2 minutes, they will have an opportunity. అందరినీ పిలుస్తాం ఆ రోజు మన ఫెలిసిటేటర్స్ అందరూ ఉంటారు. యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్వైట్ యువర్ గెస్ట్. ఓకే, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ని కానీ మీ రిలేటివ్స్ ని కానీ మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్, ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ బి దేర్. యూ విల్ బి అవార్డెడ్ అ సర్టిఫికేట్. యూ విల్ గెట్ అ ఛాన్స్ టు స్పీక్. And if you have confident enough to solve your Rubik's Cube on that day on the online platform, you can even solve your Rubik's Cube. And we will put a timer.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, JC.
Madam, na spelling wrong undi, madam.
మళ్ళీ నువ్వు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టాం కదా, నీ స్పెల్లింగ్ కరెక్ట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ టైప్ చేసి పంపించు. ఓకే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, షుడ్ వి స్టార్ట్? ఓకేనా, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? వెనస్డే మన లాస్ట్ సెషన్. Thursday రోజున we'll have a culmination program where certificate will be awarded to all the children. ఆ రోజు everybody will get a chance. You can speak about any hobby that you like in this 12-day session. మీరు రూబిక్స్ నచ్చింది అని చెప్పండి అనుకోండి, మీరు రూబిక్స్ 1 minute లో 2 minutes లో you can solve the cube and you can show it to everyone on that day. Okay, we'll have all our guests, we'll have all our felicitators, everybody will be watching. So you want to do that? Yes. So ఈ రోజు మీరు కాన్సంట్రేటెడ్ గా
very interested ma'am.
You are very interested, right? Keep focused. Everybody will get a chance. Sir అందర్ డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, ఈ రోజు శశాంక్ కి తర్వాత దర్హాస్ will get the last chance because last session you both got a chance. Okay, ఈ రోజు ఇంకెవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే will get the first opportunity.
Yes ma'am, we'll give a chance to other people.
Very good. Okay. Over to Megan sir. So he will start the session.
Ma'am.
Yes, JC. Moksha చెప్పు.
నాకు ఇక్కడ 2 రాలేదు మ్యామ్, నేను చాలా ట్రై చేశాను.
ఓకే సార్, ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకొని we will come to students. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Megan, you can start.
So hi kids. Good evening kids. So
Good evening, sir.
I guess you all have tried to good evening. So I guess you all have tried to solve till white color. Okay. So I'll again start it from beginning how to do. So first what you need to do is take your left hand middle finger on the yellow center. Okay, first step, left hand middle finger on the yellow center and right hand on the thumb on the white center. Okay, so first you need to identify yellow and white centers. Okay, then what you need to do is on your yellow center you need to bring 4 white middle pieces. Okay, so this you can get only through practice. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay,
Children, do with sir again. Do with sir again. From first step sir is doing, do it with sir once again. So yellow and white centers lo chepeట్టుకోండి and do it. Even if you know, practice it once again.
Okay, so don't worry about corners. Our first aim is to bring 4 white middle pieces on yellow center. Okay, 4 white middle pieces on yellow center. Don't worry about corners. You can get corners or you cannot get, that's not a problem. First you need to get 4 white middle pieces on yellow center. Okay, so after that what you need to do is to consider each white middle piece at a time. Okay, one white middle piece at a time. So first let's take any of the white middle piece. You will always have an adjacent color with the white middle piece. Okay, you will always have an adjacent color to the white middle piece. So what you need to do is take one white middle piece at a time and try to see whether the adjacent color layer and move the two bottom layers at a time. Okay, till the center matches with the color. Okay, so if this is matching, what we need to do? We need to do R. R is right clockwise 2 times. Okay, so similarly, you need to do for all the white middle pieces on the yellow center. Okay, so this time red and red it's matching. So 2 times R. If you take another white blue, this is matching. So 2 R's. Okay, so if you see the other white and green, these are matching. So 2 R's. Okay, so the first step is you need to get a white plus on the bottom. Okay, you need to get a white plus on the bottom with two colors of the adjacent pieces. Okay. Okay, so thumb rule is, what is the main rule? Always have the white center on the bottom. Okay, don't try to move the white center towards your left, right, up or front, back. It should always be on the bottom. White center should always be on the bottom. Okay. After that, what we need to do? We need to see the corners on the top layer. You need to see what are the white corners available on the top layer. Okay. So you need to select one corner at a time. Okay. Select one corner at a time and see what are the colors that are attached to it. Okay. Select any one corner at a time and see what are the colors attached to that white corner. Okay. So I'm taking this one as example. For me, here I'm having red and green as the attached colors. So what you need to do is you need to always have the white corner on your right side, right piece. Okay. After that, what you need to do, you need to match the centers of the adjacent colors of white corner in your front and right faces. Okay. You need to match the centers of adjacent colors of white corner on your front and right centers. Okay. So in this case, how you need to match it? Again, you need to hold the top layer, move the two bottom layers at once. Okay. Once the centers are matching, see the position of white. Okay. See the position of white. You need to see what position white has: front, up or right. Okay. Front, up or right. Only 3 positions. White will be in only 3 positions. If it is front, you need to do the first step formula 5 times. Okay. If it is up, you need to do the front step formula 3 times. If it is right, you need to do 1 time. Okay. Front, up and right, position of white. You need to see the position of white after matching the centers. Okay. So if your position of white is up, you need to do the formula 3 times. The position of white is right, you need to do the formula once. The position of white is front, do it 5 times. Okay. Please move the cube very carefully, because if you move any move in a reverse direction, your cube will be disturbed. Okay. It should, if it is written as R in the formula sheet, you should move it R. Take time, practice slowly. If the move is R, you need to move R only. If it is U, you need to move U. If it is R dash, you need to move R anti-clockwise. If it is U dash, you need to move U anti-clockwise. Okay. So don't try to do any other moves apart from that, because your cube will be disturbed. Okay. So I'm taking one corner. I matched my centers. So now my position of white is up. So I'm doing the formula 3 times. Okay. So similarly, you need to find other corners on the top layer. Okay. So if you solve all the corners, what you will get is you will see white color solved completely and a small t. Okay, white color solved and a small t of the adjacent colors. Okay, you need to practice this step till this step very carefully. Okay, so one more confusion here is if you don't see any corner on the top layer. Okay, if you don't see any corner on the top layer and they're stuck at the bottom, you need to do R dash U dash once so that the corner will be shifted to top layer. Okay, if you solve the first step correctly, the indication is you will get white and a small t. Okay, so this is the first step, kids. It's very important. If you all you need to worry is only till first step, because second step and final step are very easy. Okay, you can learn this very fast. The trick is only to solve the cube till first step effectively. Okay, so once you get first step, you can easily do the remaining cube very fastly. Okay, so I'll show the second step very carefully. All of you listen second step very carefully. Then I want you to solve the second step. Then we will go to final step. Okay, so now once your white color is solved, again, what is the thumb rule? Always white on the bottom. Okay, always white color on the bottom. So next step is, I want you to look all of you on your top layer. Okay, I want all of you to look on the top layer of your cube. Okay, and you need to, on the top layer, you need to see you have middle pieces, right? What is a middle piece on top layer? So these four are the middle pieces, right? If you see on the top layer, I told you in the first class, every side has three types of pieces. One is center, the four are middle pieces, and the four are corners. Once your white is done with a small t, okay, once your white is done with small t, place the white color on the bottom. And I want you to write this or remember very sharply is you need to find the non-yellow middle piece on the top layer. Okay. Once the white is solved, once white is completed with small t on the top layer, okay, on the top layer, you need to find a non-yellow middle piece. Okay. Non-yellow middle piece means any middle piece which is other than yellow. Okay. So middle piece is basically two colors, right? So middle piece will always have two colors. So once white is completed, you need to find in the top layer what are the middle pieces without yellow. Okay. So in my case, I found one which is blue and red. Okay. So remaining all middle pieces have yellow in my cube. Okay. It might not be the same in your cube. Okay. In my cube, I found only one middle piece without yellow. So what you need to do is, the color which is facing to you on the non-yellow middle piece, bring that to the full T. Okay. Previously, after solving the white color, you will have small t, right? You will have a small t on each side. Okay. So what you need to do is, after this, find a non-yellow middle piece on top layer and bring the face color towards the full T. Okay. Find the non-yellow middle piece and bring the face color towards the full T. Okay, it could be any color. So once you make this step, you need to see what is the color on the top of the piece. Okay, so I'll move this way, you will get a clear understanding. Okay, so this is my face. Okay, so I found a non-yellow middle piece. Yes,
I didn't come, sir.
ఏమైంది మోక్ష? ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం నీది చెప్పు.
నాకు రాలేదు మ్యామ్.
ఏం రాలేదు నీకు?
వైట్ 2 పీసెస్ రాలేదు.
ఓకే, సార్ కి చూపించు ఒకసారి. మేఘన్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
searching just a minute.
మోక్ష
Okay. Okay.
నేను స్పాట్ లైట్ చేశాను చూడు కనిపిస్తుంది నీకు.
Yeah, Moksha, you did not solve the white actually. You did not get plus also. Okay. You need to do the plus correctly.
Sir,
You need to do the. Yes, yes.
Let Moksha finish. Next you can have another student, okay?
Okay.
ఓకే, ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ ఎవరు? అనిరుద్. టెల్ మీ అనిరుద్.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I didn't solve the right white color, ma'am.
Show your thing. First start your video.
Ma'am, can you see mine, ma'am?
1 minute. మేఘన్ కనిపిస్తున్నాడా అనిరుద్? అనిరుద్ ని స్పాట్ లైట్ చేశాను చూడు.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Anirudh, you got the plus correctly, but you did not get one corner. Okay. Keep the yellow, keep the white on the bottom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I kept it, sir.
Can you see any corner on the top layer? White corner on the top layer?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me?
Sir, the white corner is right here.
Yeah, so it's on the bottom.
No,
Yes,
no, it's
sir.
on the top only.
No, top only.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So what are the colors to it? That's correct. Now you're having white on the top, right? So you need to
Yes,
do
sir.
right white top formula, up formula for first step. Okay, you already have matching centers. Okay, your corner adjacent colors. I don't think you did plus also correctly because you're having white and blue centers. Okay, so you did plus incorrectly, Anirudh. Okay, so you did plus incorrectly. So start from doing plus.
ఇది కూడా అప్పటిదప్పుడు అర్థమా మంచి కూడా ఉంది సార్.
Taha Fatima, tell me what is your doubt, Taha Fatima?
Ma'am, I have made the plus over here and then I'm connecting this cons to their color. The plus is gone all shuffled, ma'am.
Plus is
Can you
getting
show
shuffled.
cube, Taha?
ఒకసారి నీ క్యూబ్ చూపించు Taha. Show your cube to sir.
Okay, so plus is incorrect. So you did you match the colors, Taha, as I said? So
You
can
missed
you
one step.
Yes. So can you take all the white centers to yellow, white middle pieces to yellow center again? Can you take all of your white middle pieces to yellow center? Do 2 R's on all sides. No, you got only 2. Get the remaining 2 white centers also. Get the remaining 2 white middle pieces also.
మిడిల్ పీసెస్. మోక్ష అయిందని ఇది సార్ చెప్పిన వరకు స్టెప్ చేసావా? అనిరుద్ అయిందని ఇది సార్ సెట్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్.
No, ma'am.
Now do it then.
Yes, ma'am.
Srujana, just wait. Let these 3 students complete. Then we will take the next 3 students. Okay.
You got only 3. Get the other white center.
White middle piece ఇంకొకటి రావాలి
White middle
చూడతా.
piece. Yeah.
Moksha, did you finish? One more middle piece. You have to get one more middle piece. Plus symbol రాలేదు చూడు నీకు white plus symbol. Anirudh, show your Rubik's cube. What are you doing? You have to get 2 more middle pieces.
Yes,
White
ma'am.
2 more middle pieces. Do it.
Sir, I'm not getting how to do the plus, sir.
Ma'am. Sir.
Yes, Moksha, can you show me? Did you get plus correctly?
Yes, sir.
Place white on the bottom and show me. Show me once. Bring the cube close to camera.
Anirudh,
Sir, I'm not getting how to do.
you did only 2 middle pieces, Anirudh.
Ma'am, I'm not getting how to do it, ma'am.
Okay, wait. First, let sir answer Moksha.
Tell me.
Yeah, place white on the bottom, Moksha. White color on the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now find white corners on top layer.
Yes, sir.
Did you get any white corner on top layer?
I
White
get
corner.
up, sir. I get it up.
White corner, Moksha, this corner piece. So did you get any on your
Yes, sir.
top layer? Show me. Yeah, get the, what are the colors that are adjacent to it?
Blue and orange.
So you need to hold the top layer and get the blue and orange centers on your front and right faces. Can you move it once?
Yes, sir. I got it,
Now what?
sir.
Yeah. Now what is the position of white? Up, right, or front? No, the same corner. You have white on your up right now. So up is, you need to do the formula 3 times. Okay, R, U, R dash, U dash 3 times. Okay.
Okay. Next, Taha Fatima, is your problem solved? You have to get one more middle piece. Okay. Next, go to next student. Idi itlane manamu chestu unte we will be stuck only with one color. What we will do is first we will finish off all the steps. Okay. Students who can do all the steps first finish off all the steps. Meeta students ki ekkada break vastundo then we will answer in the next half an hour. Okay, children? సో ఇలా అయితే ఏంటంటే కంప్లీట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి కంప్లీట్ చేయని వాళ్ళకి డిఫరెన్స్ రావట్లేదు. దోస్ హూ ఫినిష్డ్ టిల్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, ఓకే, ఆ షార్ట్ టీ వరకు వైట్ కలర్ విత్ షార్ట్ టీ వరకు చేసిన వాళ్ళందరూ జస్ట్ రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ వన్స్. నాట్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ టిల్ దట్. పూర్వి, సృజన, అనుష, దర్హాస్, శిల్ప, జేసి, Neelima, who are others? Mohak,
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, Anusha. So almost like 9 students have finished till the white color, complete white color and with small t, right? దీని వరకు వచ్చిన 9 స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఫస్ట్ లెట్స్ ఫినిష్ ఆఫ్ ద కంప్లీట్ క్యూబ్. ఓకే, దాని తర్వాత ఎవరెవరికి ఎక్కడెక్కడ స్టాప్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఎక్కడెక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందో we will solve it in the next half an hour. Okay children? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Megan, continue.
Yeah. So once you
don't
got
disturb,
white
sir.
with small t, okay. Once you got white with small t on the bottom, okay. So what is the next step? I want you all to look on the top layer. Okay. Look on the top layer and find a non-yellow middle piece. Non-yellow middle piece. Okay. So middle piece is this one. A complete middle piece. Okay. So when I say middle piece, it's this particular piece on my top layer. Okay. So out of these 4, you need to find the non-yellow middle piece. Okay. So move your cube on all faces with white as bottom. Compulsorily white should be in bottom. Okay. So on the top layer, see if you have any color, any non-yellow middle piece. It is not necessary that you have blue and red as my cube. You can find any other non-yellow middle piece. Okay. So in the non-yellow middle piece, if you find any color, okay, see the color which is facing you. Okay. So you have 2 colors on the middle piece. One color will be up and one color will be your front. Okay. So see the color which is facing front, and again hold the top layer, move the bottom 2 layers to match the same color with full T. Okay. So in this case, in my cube, I got blue and red. So I moved it towards full blue. Okay. Full blue T. In your cubes, it might be different. So you find a non-yellow middle piece. Okay. And see the color which is facing you, facing your front side, and get that towards full T. Okay. After matching it with the full T, you need to see what is on the, what color is on the top of that. Okay. So in this case, I have red. What you need to do is, okay. So you need to see where is the red small t towards this blue. Okay. So మీరు మ్యాచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫుల్ టీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఈ పైన రెడ్ కలర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ రెడ్ కలర్ స్మాల్ టీ మీకు ఎటు ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి. రైట్ సైడ్ ఉందా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, వైట్ స్మాల్ టీ, ఆఫ్టర్ వైట్ స్మాల్ టీ ఫైండ్ నాన్ ఎల్లో మిడిల్ పీస్ ఆన్ టాప్ లేయర్. ఓకే. ఎల్లో లేని మిడిల్ పీస్ చూడండి అందరూ. ఓకే. నాకు నా క్యూబ్ లో బ్లూ అండ్ రెడ్ దొరికింది. ఓకే. సో నేనేం చేశానంటే పైది పట్టుకొని కిందది 2 కలిపి తిప్పాను విత్ టువర్డ్స్ ఫుల్ బ్లూ టీ. Okay, towards full blue tea. After matching it with full tea, you need to see what color is on top of that blue or any other color which you got. So it is red, right? I need to see where is the small red tea towards in my cube. Is it on my right side or is it on my left side? Okay. So if it is on my right side, I need to do right formula in the second step. So you have formulas with you, which is a second step formula. In second step, you only have 2 formulas. Okay. 2 simple formulas in second step. Okay. After matching it with the full tea, see the top color, whatever it is, and see where is the small t of this upper color. Okay. See where is the small t of this upper color and do the same formula in the second step, not the first step formula. Okay. First step formula is right up face. There is a common thing in first step and second step. In second step also you have something called right formula, but that is different and this is different. Okay. So in second step, you need to do the formula. You have only 2 formulas, right, left. That depends on the position of the color of the upper color. Okay. So in this case, I have red as my upper color and red is towards, red small t is right side of me. So I'll do right formula. U R U dash, R dash, U dash. Be careful when you're moving F dash. It's not easy. If you have practiced it, it might be easy, but you should not move F dash instead of F and F instead of F dash. Okay, be very careful. F dash, U, F. So what happens is the yellow piece, the middle piece, which is earlier here, it will get shifted on my right side. See, it got matched without disturbing the white. Okay. So similarly, you need to find the non-yellow middle pieces on top. Okay. Find the non-yellow middle pieces on top. If there is no non-yellow middle piece, okay, if you don't find any non-yellow middle piece, you can face any side of the cube and do the second step formula once, any formula.
Sir, right formula is RU, R dash, U dash, no sir.
So that is in first step, Darhas. That's what I'm saying. That is the first step right formula.
Okay, I'm going to show you the formula once. Children, see. First step right is this one. Second step అని ఉంది కదా మీ ఫార్ములాలో సెకండ్ స్టెప్ రైట్ ఫార్ములా is this. Okay? U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U F ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో this is the formula. So don't get confused with right in the first step. Second step right formula use చేయాలి.
Sir, can you show the second step again, sir?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, Nikhil.
So my second.
Sir, there's a red corner on my right.
Can you show your video, Nikhil?
Ma'am, I'm showing it.
1 minute. Let me add it. Megan, can you see? Okay, నువ్వు ఇంకా అక్కడే ఉన్నావా నిఖిల్?
Nikhil, you are still, you need to find the white corner on the top layer.
No, sir, okay. I was following you, and when you said do F dash and all, this happened.
Okay. So you might have missed some step. You might have moved F as F.
Sir?
Ma'am, I got the plus, ma'am.
No, now what you need to do is, okay, Nikhil, can you place your white color on the bottom again?
Sir, I have completed the white one, but I didn't got any small t or big T sideways.
Then you did not follow the formula properly. You do it again. Okay.
Nikhil, you have the corner on your top again, white corner, I guess. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to do the first step formula again. Get that white corner on your top, right? Okay. See the colors which are adjacent to it. What are the colors that are adjacent to that white?
Sir, orange and green.
Ma'am, can you see mine, ma'am? I'm showing it to you.
Just wait. Let sir finish with Nikhil.
Match the centers of that color, adjacent colors on your front and right sides. Okay. Is it matching?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Ma'am, now can you see mine, ma'am?
Wait, Anirudh. Let sir finish with Nikhil. Those children who have doubts in the second step, please raise your hands and ask questions. Don't ask questions for the first step. Let us finish the complete cube first, okay?
Sir, can you show the formula for the second step, sir?
Yeah, sir will show you. Sir will show you. Please wait.
Ma'am, half an hour cube full చేపియండి ma'am.
యా చేపిస్తానమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసేటప్పుడే అది డిస్టర్బ్ అయినప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది సార్ చెప్తున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ అబ్జర్వ్. మీరు సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో చేసినప్పుడు కింద వైట్ డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఓకే, డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతే ఏం చేయాలి అంటే అగైన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా అగైన్. సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు వైట్ ని కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు సెకండ్ స్టెప్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ సర్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you do the second step formula correctly, you won't disturb the white at the bottom. Okay.
You should not disturb white at the bottom.
Okay, so you need to follow the same formula mentioned in your sheet so that your white won't get disturbed at the bottom. Okay, so let me show the second step again. I only have one matched side middle piece. So for me, I don't have any non-yellow middle pieces on my top layer. Okay, So
Sir, I did not understood, sir. The second step.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So once you have small t, find a non-yellow middle piece on your top layer. Okay, find a non-yellow middle piece on the top layer. Okay, so here I have blue and orange. Okay, this is a non-yellow middle piece on top layer. So what I need to do, okay, is to match this blue with the complete T. Okay, by holding the top layer and moving the bottom two at once. Okay, so I match the full T. Okay, now you need to observe what is the top upper color. After matching it with the full T, you need to see what is the upper color on that blue. Okay, so here it is orange. So I need to see whether orange is on my orange small t is on my left or right side. Okay, I need to see where is the small t of the upper color. Okay, so here for me it is on left side. So I will do left formula. Okay, u dash l dash u l u f u dash f dash. So what happens is this particular piece which is here earlier, it will shift towards the left side. Okay, so earlier the white, blue and orange piece on the top, now it got shifted towards the left. Okay, so similarly you will find all the non-yellow middle pieces on top layer. Here now I have green and orange. So my green is matched with full T, and the upper color of green is orange, and orange small t is towards my right side. Okay, so I'll do right formula. U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U and F. Okay, so earlier the piece which is here, it came towards the right side. Okay, so what should we do once you don't find any? So this step is ideally after you solving the white color, you will find some of the pieces, non-yellow middle pieces on top layer. But if you don't find, or some of the pieces are stuck on the second layer, okay, I want you to do either left formula or right formula once, so that these pieces will be shifted to top layer. Okay.
Sir, I have a yellow middle piece over here, sir.
So it should be a non-yellow middle piece, Darhas. It should not be a piece with yellow. It should be a non-yellow middle piece all the time. When you see,
sir, but the piece is yellow here, no, sir.
That's okay. You can see any other middle piece which is non-yellow. Don't get stuck on one piece, okay? See any other pieces.
Yes, sir. So, my orange is non-yellow.
Please log out and log in back. We have less than 1 minute. Please log out and log in back. Okay, children? Please log out and log in back immediately.